Your mobile phone is ringing. You're frying eggs, your legs are crushed. You blow off if you don't go quickly to the loo. They're knocking on the door. The giant dog runs and so he throws the giant china vase your mother-in-law gave you. It was a heritage from her nanny and very important for her. The phone rings again. You let the pan go, you know it's her. She jumped to save the vase. Your dog runs from the door towards you, thinking you wanna play with him, and so jumps on your very way. Phone still ringing, 2 more rings, and the voicemail will appear. The whole of the china vase fades on your head. You throw the mobile phone as high up to save the panda away. Chuck Norris would hide while you get rid of the vase. They're banging like hell on the door, and you hear the sound of a skimmer banging against the kitchen floor. Clumsily you try to reach the phone. The dog is faster than you, grabs it with its snout and falls all over you. It's impossible for you to move at all now. They stack you on the back of an ambulance, alone with the nurse whose fragrance seems familiar to you. So you relax a tick or two. The nurse is your girlfriend. She opens the back of the ambulance in anger and kick you out of it forcefully. I'm sorry I burned your house. I'm good with your mom under bed. They're just so similar, as hairy as a bear. I beg you, I swear to you, I'll never do it again. But please don't kick me out, because it's raining cats and dogs out there. Beg you, I swear to you. Please don't kick me out. I'm sorry I burned your house. You're just so similar. Sorry I burned your house. I know it was your mom under bed. You're just so similar, as hairy as a bear. I beg you, I swear to you, I'll never do it again. But please don't kick me out, because it's raining cats and dogs out there.